Alright, let me show you guys how to use Google Docs. Alright, so again, you're going to go to the waffle, you click on the waffle, and remember this is the waffle. So when I say the waffle, you click on the dots. You're going to go to Docs. All the work that you've been working on, it should appear right here. Sometimes it takes a while, so like this stuff that you're going to work on. When you want to make a new doc, you click on a blank. So make sure you click on blank. You can name it whatever you want, so I'll put new document. And I'm going to put how to. And then up here, when you click up here, you put a header so you can put your name at the top. So my name is going to be Mr. Gomez. You can put the date. Don't ever forget to put the date. Today is August 21st, 2020. Alright, so you just click up here if you want to put your name at the top. And then you can pretty much work on it. You can type whatever it is that you want to type. Hello, how are you today? And like it even helps you out on typing. There's other things that you can do. You can insert a text box, and you can move this around too. So if you want to make a box that you can write in, you can put let's say I want to put my name. Let's say I want to make my name big. I'm going to go up here where it says font size, and I'm going to change the font. That's going to make the letters bigger. So I didn't like the way how it cuts my name off. So see, it says Mr. Gomez. Also, a lot of people and then just kind of keep hitting enter. You can also add a picture. So I want to upload a picture. Now let's put this one, Fortnite. So I'll put a picture. I can put it in there. I can even move this out too. And you just gotta play with it sometimes. Like, see this thing in the bottom? Play with it to see how you want to use it. Cause when you click on these, it kind of changes the way what you can do. So you can move it anywhere if you click on this one, and I think this one too. It lets you move it anywhere. It says move the text. You can put a fixed position off page, and there you go. You can move it pretty much anywhere you want. And then margin. What if I put 0? If I put 0, it does that. We'll move it back to this. I'll move this like this. And move it down. And then just play with it. And like I said, it kind of messes it up, but you can always just play with it. And it pretty much puts it anywhere you want to be. So you can add pictures. You can add text box. You can type. I like to organize my stuff, so I like to put numbers, or you can put bullets. So these are bullets. So I put 1, 2, 3, and it'll kind of organize how you want to do it. So whenever you want to make a point, like rule 1, and then I can put rule 2, and also you can move this wherever. So I'm not sure if just click on the mouse. And you can move pretty much wherever you want to. You can also change the color to whatever color you want to make it. So if you want to make it red so it stands out more, you can do that. You can underline. You can italicize. See how it changed? You can make it bold. Let me see. And then you can also move it. So if I want to move that in the middle, I want to move it to the right. Or if I want to keep it to the left, I could do that. Spacings, let's say, see how this kind of moved? There you go. Alright, let me move this down too. Let's say I want to write a lot. So I want to say, welcome class. And then I would put, today we are going to write. Okay. Let's say I wanted it spaced out more. I would highlight it. Just click left and then just drag it around and it'll highlight it. And then you can go to line spacing. If you want to double space it, it'll spread it out. You want it, oh, hold on. This one. You want it closer. You can single space it. You can make it a little bit like that. You can do that. And you can definitely double space. Also, if you hit the tab button on your keyboard, it would indent. So it would make it like that if you want to do it that way. Alright, that's pretty much the basics. Oh yeah, you can also insert a picture from the internet. I don't like using it too much because you never know what comes up. So, but you got to be careful with this because whenever you search images, sometimes, you know, you never know what comes up. But like, let's see, let's put Mark Twain Elementary Alvin ISD. Let's see what comes up. See, like different pictures come up. None of these are the school that I go to, but that I teach at. But it comes up, and you can just click on whatever picture, and it'll put it on there. But for now, that's pretty much what we're gonna do for Spanish. Okay, whenever I'm writing in Spanish, I will take off points if you don't do this right. So we gotta make sure we do it right. So put let's say I say hola, ¿cómo estás? All right. I'm gonna erase that O because that's not the O that I want. So I gotta go to special characters. Again, remember, go to insert special characters. Then you go to Latin symbol where it says Latin. You click here. You gotta make sure you go to Latin, and then I pick the accent mark that I like. And sometimes you gotta move the mouse because it gets in the way. And then also, let me see if the upside down question mark is here, because I gotta put the upside down question mark on there too. So you go to punctuation, and there's the upside down question mark. So whenever you use the upside down question mark, you gotta go to punctuation, and whenever you want to put a accent mark, you gotta go here. Also, the ñ is right there as well where it says Latin. So that's whenever you type in Spanish. I say, and sometimes it fixes it for you. When you see the little red line, like if I give it a second, see how it's red? When you see that red line, that means you misspelled it. You wrote it wrong. So if you right click, it gives you the correct way to spell it. And you just click on it and it corrects it for you. That's pretty much the basics of how to do this. And now that I did that, I want you guys to go ahead and work on this. And feel free to change the font. Like, my favorite place to go to vacation, let's say I want to say Los Angeles. Alright. If I want to make it bigger, I can just make it a font size bigger. I can even make it my box smaller. And if you want to change the colors, feel free to change the colors. Have fun with it. Alright. So there you go. As a matter of fact, let me undo. Oh, you see this button I'm clicking? This is the undo button. If you make a mistake, just feel free to hit undo and it undoes whatever you just did. So this one is one of my favorite things because a lot of times you're going to make a mistake. Make sure you click undo so it will undo whatever it is that you just did. Alright, go ahead and work on this. Fill all this out. And that will be it for today.